What is up, YouTube? It is an early video, but for good reason. You probably can't see me because it's extremely dark this morning. We're actually going to be meeting several other car guys, a couple of guys that me and my brother met. So we're on our way to the GTR, of course, and you guys can't see that, but it is 24 degrees this morning. Perfect weather for turbo cars, but not necessarily perfect weather for Arizonans like me. But let's go ahead and get to the gas station. That's where our first rendezvous point with everybody else is. So we're headed off early in the morning for cool things. So we out here at the gas station, first stop, and I'm pretty sure you recognize this guy over here. There's my brother. You look cold, huh?
Very cold.
Very cool.
Not used to this.
Yeah, so we out here. It's cold. Not the biggest jacket I can fit, but it's not really doing us good right now. He's getting some E85. We're gonna stay on 91 today in the GTR. So this is my first time out here with the group. My brother's been out here before, so there's some people that I haven't met yet. So first guy here. So we're with Joey. Joey's got of course, the Nissan, keeping it with the black and white. We got the black and white GTR, black and white 370. The white on black. I'm actually gonna copy. I'm gonna copy you, and I'm gonna do the black vinyl on the roof eventually. Oh, we got more people showing up. This BMW. I don't know if you guys remember from the drag strip. We actually raced this guy in the truck. I don't know if you guys remember, but this BMW, it is crazy. It is rowdy. It's the one that trapped like 116 in the drag strip that one day. He couldn't get traction. He's got a new set of tires right now. Hopefully today, if we do get a little bit of runs, not too sure yet, we'll see how it hooks. Everybody's filling up. Everybody's getting their gas. Everybody's ready to go. We're sitting pretty over there. So let's wait for some more people to come, and then we'll go from there. Guys, we made it out here with the crew. We unfortunately had a mishap already this morning. Hit a debris on the road, my brother did, and we ruptured the gas can. But we're here, got the GTR, we got the RC car out there hitting it hard. I don't know if you saw that, but we got the GTR, we got the 370, we got my boys Buick. Of course, we got the BMW there. We got our Integra out here. So that's the crew for today. So as always, we're gonna go walk around, see what other cars we got out here, see what other cars will potentially want to race. I think that one wants to race. So we got a great turnout here. Not too sure you can see. Got the sun behind me right now. We got the best show cars, which I know we can beat some of these cars, probably not all of them. But of course, we got the Audi R8 V10, the twin turbo one over here, and of course, you got the bread and butter SRT 10 Viper. This is actually the one that I wanted, or the body style that I wanted. But as you know, the same price for this car here, which is about 20 years old almost, is the same price as the GTR. You got the Hot Wheel car over here, the Hot Wheel Supra. And then, yeah, you got the big boy. GTR 2R8. Yeah, he would win. It's alright. Got some Gallardos out here, looking good, with the gated 6-speed inside of it. Another R8 with twin turbo package on it. I think this is actually Harrison's himself. He got it done and completed, and he's ready to go. There's a lot of cars out here. It's a great show up. I'm just surprised that there's this many people. We're still out here. The sun's coming up. It's warming up quite a bit right now, so I'm enjoying it. Had to talk to a couple of the friends, show the kids all the good stuff, and the GTR. Looks like we got another Lambo coming up over here. Nonetheless, we out here. Oh, it's a gorilla. I mean, there's my brother, I mean. Anyway, all right, we're gonna keep walking around. close. All right, go ahead. I just gotta hold the key close.
That hurts my foot.
Yeah, you're too short still.
I love the sound of this car.